From Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery, we have a very nice folding knife for the outdoorsman, and the item number on this is ER055. It comes with this belt pouch here with Velcro closure, very nice. Now this is an exchange blade type of knife, about 5 inches in overall length when closed. You see it is a back lock, which is a type of lockback mechanism. Pakkawood inlays on the handle scales, pinned, very nice. And you can see the blade itself. This is about 4 inches in blade length, stainless steel, a classic swept back point, a trailing tip. Makes it for an incredible slicer. Right, so when processing game and doing fine work with that tip, this would be very useful for the hunter. And the blade is razor sharp. It is sharp like a scalpel. Excellent job on that edge. But wait, this knife also allows you to change blades in the field. You get a saw blade, right, and you can exchange it with that. So you have a nice little saw blade for different camping tasks. And you can exchange it with a third blade, which has a gut hook, right? And it is another type of skinning blade there, right? And it has opening holes as the index, bullet shaped. So very nice, kind of a little multi-tool for the woods. 3 different blades, 3 different knives in one, essentially. So this would be a great knife, great set for the outdoorsman from Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery.